In the previous video, we looked at a bunch of different ways that we could make up the number 10 using grape lollies and cherry lollies. Now, if you're not from Australia, we call lollies is our word for sweets. But anyways, let's get into the video. This video is all about a concept called making to 10, which is a mental strategy, but we start off using materials so that you can see exactly how it works. If I count at 8 grape sweets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 7 cherry sweets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that represents my number sentence up here. Now, if I put my 8 grape sweets into these 10 frames, it will look like this. Now watch what happens when we put the cherry sweets in. Notice that I have a fully complete tens frame made up of 8 grape and 2 cherry, and then I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cherries left over. If I was to write that with a number sentence, it would look something like this. 8 plus 2 plus 5 equals. Notice here what I've done, I've broken the 7 cherries into 2 separate parts. I've got now a 2 and a 5. The reason that we're doing this is we can put the 8 and the 2 together to make 10, and then adding 5 more is easy to 15. My final answer is 15. Let's have a look at another one. In this number sentence here, we've got 5 grape and 9 cherry. Let's just grab those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 grapes and 9 cherries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If I put my 5 grapes into the tens frame, it's going to look like this, taking up exactly half. And when I add in my 9 cherry, and we can see now that we've got 10 and 4 more is 14. And if we're going to write our number sentence, it's going to look like this. 5 grapes plus, this time I've got 5 cherries to make up the 10. And 4 left over equals, in this one we've split the 9 cherry into a 5 and a 4, and once again this allows us to put the 5 and the 5 together to make 10 and add 4 more, 14. So we've got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Final answer, 14. As we do this, we're going to really develop our skill of knowing how to break numbers into smaller parts. And this is going to help us all across our maths. So keep with this, let's keep going. All right, so in this example, we've got 6 grape and 6 cherry. So let's grab those out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 grape and 6 cherries. Beautiful. Once again, I'm going to put the grape into my tens frame. Taking out 6 spots, and I've got 4 empty spaces for the cherries. 2, 3, 4, leaving me with 2 cherries left over. So 6 grapes plus in this example, I've broken my 6 into 4 to complete the 10, and then I've got 2 left over. So in my number sentence, I've written 4 and 2. We can combine the 6 and the 4 to make 10, and then we have 11, 12. Final answer 12. Okay, so now it's your turn. Have a go at the attached activity and practice breaking the numbers down so that you can add them up in this way. Good luck.